By focusing on soil nutrition, we ensure a safe and productive harvest, enriching the earth rather than burdening a landfill. This final fertilizer is directly usable by farmers. It visually completes the first. From a single factory comes the clean, life-giving fertilizer that supports countless farms.
We have enough for everyone in the area.
And the offal is being handled separately, correct?
Separation at source is the first key step in zero waste processing. This waste is not mixed with normal garbage.
This sealed loading process is crucial. It controls smell, deters insects, and prevents any contamination from escaping.
As the city awakens, the journey from neighborhood to the zero waste facility begins. Timing, they say, is everything in organic waste management.
As the truck leaves the city, the Qurbani byproducts begin their controlled zero waste journey, transforming into a hidden factory process. As part of our strict hygiene protocols, the truck exterior undergoes a complete disinfection process before entering the facility. Here at the weighbridge, the facility records exactly how much Qurbani waste is received, a crucial step in maintaining the zero waste process.
The cargo is now entering the sealed receiving bay. All safety and sanitation protocols are active during the transfer process. Here we see the initial sorting phase, where bone and tissue are separated from organic waste before processing. To ensure the highest quality fertilizer, even the tiniest metallic foreign objects are precisely removed by these powerful magnetic separators. The blood is handled separately, destined to become nitrogen-rich fertilizer material.
Blood does not go to waste. It becomes a controlled fertilizer ingredient. This prepares it for the drying process.
Bones are valuable because they contain phosphorus and calcium. Rumen waste, essentially partially digested plant matter, is proving to be a highly effective compost base.
This enclosed conveyor system ensures that the organic base is properly handled, preventing unwanted smells as it moves toward blending.
The pre-crushing stage makes cooking and drying the organic material faster and more even. Heat treatment reduces harmful microbes and stabilizes the material. Sterilization is one of the most important factory steps.
Rendering separates fat, water, and protein-rich solids.
Advanced separation techniques allow us to recover valuable resources like this, transforming byproducts into industrial assets.
This protein-rich solid base is the result of the rendering process, transforming waste into a usable fertilizer ingredient ready for drying.
Through this controlled process, the material is dried, making the organic output stable, safer, and easily grindable.
By removing the moisture, the unstable organic waste is transformed into these dry, safe, and highly effective fertilizer flakes. Here we see the blood entering the sealed dryer. This process converts the liquid material into a stable, nitrogen.
This nitrogen-rich material now becomes part of the fertilizer formula. The drying chamber ensures the bones are completely brittle, a necessary step before they can be ground into fine powder in the hammer mill. Bone meal is made by grinding dried bones into phosphorus and calcium-rich powder.
This fine bone meal is a key mineral ingredient for the final fertilizer, connecting the organic material to vital soil nutrients.
Far from being waste, these keratin materials are recovered here, destined to become valuable slow-release nitrogen sources. This controlled drying process allows us to turn industrial byproducts into valuable soil nutrients, ensuring nothing goes to waste.
The next stage uses microbes, air, moisture, and time.
Composting needs the right balance of wet organic material and dry carbon. This is the foundation of controlled biological decomposition.
Burning gives oxygen to microbes and helps decomposition happen evenly. This transformation is powered by a delicate balance of oxygen, heat, moisture, and countless microbes.
Proper compost temperature helps reduce harmful microbes and speed decomposition.
The key to successful composting is maintaining the right moisture level, ensuring it's not too dry and certainly not too wet.
Moisture control keeps microbial decomposition active.
The compost must now cure before it becomes a stable soil conditioner, preparing it for the final blending stages.
Curing transforms the raw materials into a stable, mature soil conditioner, ready for the next stage.
Here in the blending hall, diverse recovered ingredients finally meet to form a single, balanced fertilizer.
The final fertilizer combines nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, organic carbon, and composted matter.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, moisture, pH, and organic matter are checked for contamination before packing.
Here, inside the granulation drum, we see the transformation complete. This is the moment the waste finally becomes recognizable fertilizer.
The drying process hardens the granules and reduces moisture, preparing them for stable storage. Final moisture control prevents clumping and protects storage life. The cooling conveyor stabilizes the fertilizer granules, preparing them for the final screening and packing process. The cooled granules move toward the screening system, showcasing the finished texture of this high-quality organic fertilizer. The factory utilizes a neat recycling loop. Rejected granules are simply returned to the process, ensuring
This is where the fine particles are collected and recycled. They head back to the beginning of the line to be
only approved, uniform granules enter the final packing line. odor is managed through a multi-stage process utilizing covered tanks, advanced air scrubbers, and large biofilters.
Through this innovative biofilter technology, the facility ensures zero odor emissions, protecting the surrounding community.
Qurbani waste has now become packed organic fertilizer ready for farms.
The packing process is carefully controlled. As the filled sack moves toward the sealer, workers ensure the mouth is perfect.
The sealed bags protect the dry granules from moisture and contamination. This completes the basic packaging closure step.
After sealing, every bag receives an invisible, traceable label, ensuring quality control from our facility to your farm.
Ensuring the fill level is consistent is the final step before the bags leave the line.
Proper stacking is essential. By aligning the corners perfectly flat, we protect the bags during warehouse storage and eventual truck loading.
The viewer learns that fertilizer must be stored dry so granules do not clump. This scene moves the product from packaging line to warehouse control.
The Zero Waste facility creates fertilizer at commercial scale.
As we leave the city behind, the recovered nutrients return to the land, completing the circle from waste to agriculture.
Designed for usability, the tight seal and sturdy sack make transport simple for the farmer. The fertilizer returns to the soil, delivering the vital nutrition these young crops need to thrive.
The final product is simple to apply using normal farm tools, providing essential nutrients with ease. Here, waste has become plant nutrition. The fertilizer works precisely at the root level, where the plant needs these vital nutrients.
Here we see the water beginning its crucial role, helping the fertilizer integrate into the soil and nourish the young crops.
When moisture reaches the fertilizer, the nutrients are slowly released into the soil, a vital process for the neighboring root systems. As part of the Zero Waste Management System, all collection bins undergo a rigorous pressurized cleaning process before reuse.
At this facility, all wash water is meticulously controlled.
The biofilter ensures that all air leaving the factory is filtered naturally, reinforcing our commitment to protecting the neighborhood.
Granule size consistency matters for even field application.
Here at the demonstration plot, the results speak for themselves.
Through a modern zero-waste factory, we can return Qurbani waste to the earth as vital soil nutrition.
And so we return to the soil, where the culmination of our process provides the vital nourishment these young plants need to thrive.
The recovered fertilizer is clearly supporting robust growth. This inspection confirms the effectiveness of the application. By utilizing recovered organic nutrients, we can support vibrant, healthy crops and continue the journey towards a zero-waste future.
This scene connects human responsibility with soil recovery, showing how community waste management can return value to agriculture.
The flow rate seems stable through the primary filters.
Yes, the membrane pressure is holding steady. We are diverting 99% back to the system.
Behind the main production line, our closed-loop treatment system ensures every drop of processed water is filtered for safe reuse.
As you can see, the air is filtered through this biofilter system before leaving the facility, ensuring clean air for the surrounding neighborhood.
This demonstration plot clearly illustrates the effectiveness of the organic fertilizer, providing vital nutrients directly to the root system.
Clean equipment maintenance is essential for safe fertilizer production and a reliable zero-waste system.
Our advanced sanitation system ensures all wash water is captured and treated before being safely returned to the environment. As you can see, the automation levels here are state-of-the-art. Every section works together seamlessly. As you can see, the granules are uniform, dry, and easy to handle. They break down nicely when rubbed, indicating high-quality organic matter.
Modern factories can convert organic waste into useful products.
One tiny granule contains recovered nutrients from a complete zero-waste chain.
We are learning that responsible waste management supports both the people who till the soil and the land itself.
This organic fertilizer supports a thriving, living ecosystem, not just the crop yield.
As night falls, the facility continues its uninterrupted cycle, proving that industry and environmental stewardship can coexist.
The long industrial process ends in a simple soil application.
Integrated into the rich, moist soil.
Here, the recovered nutrients have returned to life.
The final result is not just fertilizer, but restored value for the land.
Here we see the circular process in action, as the recovered nutrients become part of the living soil.
Responsible waste management can protect the environment and support farmers, completing a circular journey from waste to living soil.